Hi and welcome back to today's morning report on Thursday the 16th of July with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tantec Markets. Let's look at sterling dollar now, and a little bit of a disappointment yesterday. We had that big strong bullish candle on Tuesday for the bulls, pushing higher, confirming that break of the downtrend. And you'd think that at that stage you'd start to gather a bit of momentum. You had a bit of a disappointing candle yesterday, and it's sort of been followed up early doors today as well by about 20 pips of downside. Bit of a doji candle, basically where you open and close at around the same point. That would suggest that uncertainty with the prevailing trend. And it is a bit disappointing near term, but I'm not going to get too worked up yet, because I do continue to see these trends that move for a good couple of weeks, maybe 3 weeks on cable. You had the recent downtrend, and that's now turned around. You've broken that downtrend. Momentum indicators are turning positive. Stochastics certainly. MACD lines bottoming as well. RSI not too bad as well, but we've had this little bit of a blip near term, very near term. So what we're looking at on the hourly chart, well, we have got this turnaround, but look at the Fibonacci levels, playing around the Fibonacci levels now. We had a break up above the 50%, and it used that on a return as the basis of support, and then around the 38.2% again, which provided the basis of resistance previously. Also, we've got the 56.65 level that I've got in here, which are these old key lows and become the new resistance as well. So you've got a sort of 20 pips of resistance, I suppose, between that fib level and that reaction high at 75 that we got yesterday. And that again, look at that Fibonacci level coming in overnight, bang, resistance again in the early European session. Again, the resistance coming in, so that is obviously holding it back near term, and you could see a bit of an oscillation between the two fib levels. It seems to be that's what we've got playing out at the moment. So you've got initial support that comes in at 55.75, back down to that 55.55. So 20 pips worth of support and 20 pips worth of resistance. So it's a bit of a sort of near term sideways move that we've got playing out here, but there's just a general bullish bias in this move. You look at the RSI consistently going above 70, finding support around the sort of just into the high 30s. MACD lines above positive, beginning to sort of coming back to that towards that neutral point as well. So it is interesting that we are seeing these sort of moves that are still on a generally a positive bias, but just very near term, bit of a trading range developing, or a ranging period between these two fib levels. So watch out for a decisive break above the 38.2%, or potentially even a break of back below the 50%, because again the 61.8% fib level has been a turning point previously, acting as resistance and then supportive. So these fib levels are working on cable at the moment and should certainly be watched. So I would be trading around them at the moment. So watch out for those, and I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.